In this video, we want to solve the equation square root of x squared minus 1 equals x minus 3. The first thing is to get rid of the square root, and the way we get rid of the square root is by squaring both sides. So when I square both sides, we have x squared minus 1 on the left is equal to the quantity of x minus 3 squared. Now x minus 3 squared is just x squared minus 6x plus 9. Notice that we have an x squared in both sides, so we just eliminate those, and we're left with negative 1 is equal to negative 6x plus 9. Now we want to solve for x, so we'll subtract by 9 and get negative 1 minus 9 is negative 10 equals negative 6x. Divide by negative 6 and get x is 5/3. Now we need to test this solution, and the reason we need to test is because we squared both sides. Usually when you square both sides, you get an additional solution. So let's make sure that x equals 5/3 works. So we're going to plug it back in for x. So square root of 5/3 squared minus 1 is equal to 5/3 minus 3. 5/3 squared is 25 over 9. When we subtract that by 1, that's the same thing as saying 25 over 9 minus 9 over 9, which is 16 over 9. And then 5/3 minus 3 is just 5/3 minus 9/3, and that's negative 4/3. At this point right here, we could just stop and say that the square root is never equal to a negative. So we know that this is not going to be a solution. But if you want, you can simplify this further. So we have square root of 16 over 9 is 4/3, and we're saying that that is equal to negative 4/3, which is clearly not true. So we say that x equals 5/3 is not a valid solution. So there were no other solutions to check for, therefore there is no solution to the equation.